Hello and welcome to the cottage of chaos and mayhem. The kids are the chaos and the rest is just mayhem. And in today's tutorial, I'm just showing you how to do a front post half double crochet. So I'm just in the process of creating a little swatch for us to work into. So this is very commonly used for various different textures, which I will show you a texture at the end of the video. So do stay tuned for that as well. As I am currently using it on a mushroom bunny hat pattern that I'm working on. So I'll show you how it textures and how nice it looks when it's done, and just how much you can create with just this very simple technique. So there's my foundation row of half double crochet. I'm going to chain one, I'm going to turn. Now I want to do a front post half double crochet. So for that I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to insert my hook in around the post like so. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Oops. Again, yarn over. Insert my hook around the post like so. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over and pull. I'll slow it down and zoom it in the next one. Yarn over around the post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 4 loops. Again, I'm going to zoom in and slow it down just so you can get a good view again. So it is as simple and as easy as that. So there you have it. It's as simple as that. There's the front. And here's the back. It's quite often used for texturing, which I'll show you in a moment. So this is a mushroom hat I'm currently working on designing. As you can see, I have done here, this is just front post half double crochet, and this is normal double crochet, and it's alternating. And this one looks a bit different. This is actually an increased stitch. So this is where I have increased on my front post half double crochet, which I will be doing a video on soon as well. But it does create this 3D ribbed effect that's quite nice, and it's also quite stretchy as well. It's just got that bit more give, so it's almost elastic. And that helps a lot in certain designs as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a like and subscribe. I do post crochet tutorials every Wednesday, ranging from foundation tutorials such as this to beginner friendly projects such as this beautiful hexagon granny square that I've called the Sunburst Granny Square. Well, sorry, the Sunburst Lace Granny Square, and I absolutely love it. Took a while to design, but it's absolutely stunning now that it's ready. I also have my van build videos where you will see these granny hexagons in full swing in a project that I'm doing for my van. Yes, I am turning an ex-ambulance into a cottage of chaos and mayhem. So you can watch the creative process, learn some new things, see me learning as I go along, and we can have fun together. So please do go check that out, and I hope to see you in my future videos. Bye.